Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Girl Refuses to Leave the Airport, Gets Dragged Out.
To the Orlando International Airport regarding a hostile woman allegedly living in the terminal for days and screaming at staff.
Did you guys call? Yes. So did you ask her to leave and then you guys left?
No, we asked her to leave and then an emergency came up, so we have to go because
Okay. So what would you like us to do?
Trespasser.
Do you want to press charges or?
Would you like to press charges if she refuses to leave?
Yes.
All right.
If she was asking, she said she's not.
Hi there, ma'am. Were you asked to leave by those people?
No.
Okay, well they said that you're asked to leave, so at this point you gotta leave.
Let me ask you this. Do you have any business here?
I was waiting for someone to come back to get their stuff.
Are you flying out of here?
No.
Okay, so unfortunately, because you don't have any business here, you cannot stay here. So here's what's going to happen, because they did ask you to leave earlier and you refused to leave. So now they're letting us know that if you do not leave at this moment, you will be trespassed, and if you still refuse to leave, we will arrest you.
Okay, I don't have a way to leave.
That's
We will give you a bus pass. You can touch the bus and take it off the property.
I would think I should ask if we have something like this.
I'm sorry?
Can you speak up, please?
No,
I think she's talking to somebody else. Whoever it is. Do you guys have a bus pass by chance?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Are you traveling with anyone else, or?
No.
The reason why I'm asking because if they need a bus pass, we'll
I
give it
don't
to them.
care about them if they didn't, whatever. I'm the only one.
You have ID on you?
I'm not giving it to you.
You gotta get up and leave then.
Okay?
Right
I
now.
just said I cannot
All
go.
right, ma'am,
if I
You're
we're
gonna get
stop
up.
the
You're either gonna
attitude.
get up.
I just need you to
Shut
grab
the
your
f-
go.
up.
Ma'am, I just need you to grab your stuff and go. You don't need to have all that attitude. It's not even necessary.
I'm not even talking to her. She keeps talking to me. I don't like
Okay.
it.
All right,
We're gonna
so-
give you 2
so let's do
seconds.
this. Let's grab your
So
stuff and let's go.
you can grab your stuff and you need to leave right now. If you don't, you go to jail.
Shut the f- up and stop talking to me.
I'll give you about 30 seconds.
183, come. Are you nearby?
Like I just said, I cannot leave.
You're free to go. All you need to do is grab your stuff.
Going wherever I need to go. I cannot leave.
You just need to
Get
leave
her
the
together,
premises.
man.
I can't
Level
leave
one.
the premises.
You refusing to leave?
Are you refusing to leave?
Are you refusing to leave the
I'm
property?
stuck here.
Are you
I'm
refusing
going
to
to be
leave?
stuck here. There's no way to get out of here.
Did we not just tell you we would give you a bus pass?
Where is it? So I can go. The fuck?
Give it to me before I end up.
Yo, she got it. I don't know if it's mental health or she's just, what's up with the attitude? Cause oh man, you know, they say sticks and stones may break my bones, but words would never hurt me. But boy, words will piss me off though. Yeah, you talking crazy.
Her in the car.
We're gonna have to get her together.
Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you come over to B11 real quick?
Here's your bus pass.
Now, if you like, we can also take you to the next bus stop that is right outside the property.
If that's not going to get me where I need to go, then I'm not.
Yeah, but it'll get you off the property and keep you out of jail. That's what I'm trying to do.
Well, I'm trying to go where I need to go and not get off the property. If I'm not going where I need to go, then I don't give a f- about that.
So you're refusing to
at
leave the
all.
property? Is that what you're telling me? You're refusing to leave the
I
property?
cannot go
Are
where
you
I need
refusing
to
to
go.
leave the property?
If I cannot get
Are
to
you
where I need to
refusing
get
to leave the
it,
property?
No, I'm not going to.
Get her together. There we go. Good job.
Resisting. Stop resisting.
Get off
Stop
of me.
resisting.
Get off of me.
Stop resisting.
Get
her out
off of me
the chair.
because I'm not going to jail. Get off. Get off of me.
Oh, you going to jail today.
Get off of me. Get off of me.
On the ground.
Get off of me. Get off of me.
Take a breath. Stop resisting now.
I'm not a huge stupid bitch.
Stop resisting.
Get off of me.
Give us your hand.
Get off of me.
What's your
Give us your
Get
hand.
off of me. I'm not going to jail.
Give us your hand now. You are going to jail.
No, I'm not.
All right. Switch with me. I got it. Stop resisting.
Get off of me.
Here.
I cannot go.
Stop resisting. You're going to get tased.
I'm not going.
You're going to get tased.
I'm not going.
One detained.
Got her together.
Get my shit. Get all of my shit. Get my stuff. stuff.
Relax.
For no reason, I'm not going to jail.
Please comply or you will be.
I'm not going to jail.
Stop her.
Get my stuff.
Stop her.
Get my stuff.
Do that by the car so you can just get her going.
Get my stuff. Get my stuff. Get my stuff.
One second. Secure this cup a little more. Too loose.
Ah, get off of me.
Please comply. Stop.
Get off of my
Stop flexing. Stop flexing.
Get off of me.
Thank you. Please walk.
Get my stuff.
Please walk.
Get my stuff. Get my stuff.
Lead back through.
Get
Hammer lock.
my stuff. I
Hammer
need
lock.
my
With the wrist.
stuff.
There you go. Walk it back.
Get my stuff. Get my property.
Open up the door, create a pocket, and then we'll search it.
I don't even have nothing. That is my stuff. Go
Okay,
get
stay.
it.
You're going to be searched. Do you have anything on you that's contrary?
That's a
No,
good
I
sergeant.
need my stuff.
Good supervisor, man.
Go get
They
my
the direct-
stuff. Why haven't you got my stuff? I need my stuff. I need my stuff.
Stop resisting. Please comply.
I'm not even resisting.
Stop
I
resisting.
don't even know what you're talking
Sit in the
about.
car,
but I need
please.
my stuff.
I'm gonna just be in the last just from the walking.
Sit all the way back and face to the left.
I need my
Face
stuff.
that way.
Face to the left.
Can you get my stuff?
You want to go with me?
Figure out where.
I lost my hood, but I'll stay here with her. My hood is somewhere in there.
I'm gonna go get the computer. I'll be back.
The woman was charged with trespass on property after warning and resisting officer without.
Whoa, look at this. Bruh, she's had that headband on for so long that she got a tan. The rest of her face is dark, but her headband is that. Now that's, come on now. This is crazy. This is crazy. Trespass on property after warning, resisting without violence, man. Golly, but look at that forehead, man. And she looked kind of young too, you know. Well, I mean, she looked like she probably had a rough little life, but she looked kind of. She don't look old, man. These people, man, fucking nut jobs, man. That's all I got to say. Anyway, the officers did a good job, man. I'm giving 4 out of 5. You know what I'm saying? They tried, but man, she would have been irritating the shit out of me, bro. Just the slick mouth, like, yo, you talking real spicy, like real spicy, like, you know what I'm saying? Where the cops came there calm, cool, collected, you know what I'm saying? Just try to give you a bus ticket or whatever, you know, and you just talking so spicy. It's like, man, you keep talking, man, I'm gonna have to show you. I could show you better than I could tell you, like, and that's what ended up happening. So, you know, but anyway, 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.